The 2016-2021 Honda Civic key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard battery type found in many electronic devices. The CR2032 battery has a diameter of 20 millimeters and thickness of 3.2 millimeters. Always install it with the positive side facing up to avoid damaging the fob. You'll need to replace the battery when your fob's range decreases or it stops working entirely. Fortunately, no tools are required for this process. You can open the fob using just your fingernail. Under typical use, the battery should last between 5 and 10 years, though this can vary based on usage patterns and environmental conditions. When replacing the battery, be sure to properly dispose of the old one at an e-waste recycling center to avoid environmental harm. New CR2032 batteries are widely available from online retailers or auto parts stores for around $2 to $5. Make sure to purchase fresh batteries to ensure reliable performance. First, locate the small slot or keyring attachment on the fob. Use your fingernail to gently pry open the back cover, being careful not to break the clips. Next, pop out the old battery, noting which side is facing up, plus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol if there's any visible corrosion. Finally, snap the cover back on securely. Test the fob's lock, unlock, and panic functions to ensure it's working correctly.